Hello and welcome to Nirvana Edge. This is the ninth and last video in the WordPress backend series. And today we're going to talk about WooCommerce, which is the premier, well, maybe one of two premier shopping cart plugins for WordPress. And a good resource is woothemes.com, WooCommerce. There's a blog and a support and forums and discussion here. So there's a lot of information about WooCommerce here, what it can and cannot do, samples of layouts, etc. It's a free download. When you install WooCommerce, it adds these menu items: WooCommerce, orders, reports, settings, system status, add-ons. Then it also adds this products menu, so you can add products and then categorize and tag them, and then give them shipping classes and attributes. And all of this gets rather complex pretty fast, because a shopping cart is one of the most complicated things that you can do on the web, because you have a number of different products. The products, you might have one shirt in 4 sizes and 6 different colors, or your product, as in the case of this website, is a baby rental equipment. So I set up a number of different plugins so that they could specify the time of the rental and stuff like that. This is the website I'm going to talk about, and you can see that I've set the Enfold theme to put the menu on the left. So this is an example of Enfold with the menu on the left, and allows me to have these giant images here on the screen, which is kind of cool. So let's talk a little bit about products. Here's the product list for this company. There's product 1 is a bucket of toys. You have the quick edit or edit. There's a SKU, the price, the categories, and the tags. Okay, and again, in this case, just like in blog posts, we're going to use categories and tags to sort the products. You can see that they have sleepy time products, eating time, safety time, playtime, mom time, outdoor time, and bath time. And if you click on all products, you see that here are the various categories for the products. And then if I click on sleepy time, it'll show me those products. Okay. And WooCommerce does all these layouts, and depending on the settings, it allows you to select dates or show details or add to the cart. You can sort in different ways. You want to add a new product, you would click add new product, and then you would give it a name. You can use or not use the advanced layout editor. Is it a simple, grouped, or variable product? Is it virtual, downloadable, bookable? You can see how it gets pretty complicated pretty fast. What's the SKU, the regular price, the sale price? So you're not only you're also dealing with like sale prices and coupons and taxes and shipping, and shipping itself is an entire complex, complicated thing to, you're shipping UPS or FedEx, etc. Inventory, delivery, attributes, etc. Here's a product description, categories, and tags. Kind of looks the same as some of the other the pages we've seen before. Do you want sidebar or no sidebar? Let's look at a finished product like this bucket of toys, and you'll see that. So again, it's like probably what you're going to do in here is maybe change a price, or change the name of a product, or the copy of the product. So if we look at the bucket of toys, there it is. You can see that it's $15 a night, $45 a week. If I want to book it, I go here and I pick some dates. This is a plugin. This is an example of somebody needing extra functionality, and I just found a plugin and added it. I would add it to the cart. You can see on this page related products. So again, those are, like we talked about before, these related products are products that are produced by having similar tags. Okay, So these products all share tags, and that's why they're filtered onto this page like so. It's an upsell. Okay. Under bucket of toys, it's a simple product. It's bookable. That's also added. This booking stuff is added by a plugin. They have discounts for, it's the first 3 days full price, next 4 days free, etc. So this is a duration discounts plugin that I put in and had to do all these settings. You can see that they don't really keep track of inventory because they aren't going to ever run out, but you might have to keep track of your inventory. Delivery, this is for upselling various attributes and bookings. Here's the copy. So if you went in, generally speaking, you're going to maybe change a price, or so you go to click on general and change the price here. This is important to put up the product image. Okay, so you'd pick a product image. If you click on that, it's going to take you to the media library, and you're going to click on that product image, set it. So kind of moving along with sort of showing you the functionality of WordPress. Here's the shopping cart. These are the items in the shopping cart. You can, typical of any other shopping cart, you can add more quantities, and it's telling you here what the delivery dates and pickup dates are. It's figured shipping and added it, and then I can proceed to checkout. So another thing that you have to do is decide what information you want to take from the customer, whether you want to add that to your customer list. And then you also need a payment gateway. So if you have a credit card merchant account, you can link that up, or you can use PayPal. So anyway, that's as far as it'll let me go, probably without throwing an error because I haven't put in a card number. But let's look at the other menu. We've gone over products, talked a little bit about that. Again, product categories, it looks the same as the blog post categories. Here they are. So under the WooCommerce menu, you have orders, reports, settings, and add-ons. So orders, this is all your orders. So if you didn't get an email and need to find out what the order was, you can go here and look at it. Okay. This is your reports, so it tells you what your revenue and everything is for the last period of time. This is kind of the meat of it, the WooCommerce settings. So you have general products, tax, checkout, delivery accounts, emails, API, and extra options. So most of this is pretty straightforward. Again, there's a little question mark that will explain to you, just like throughout WordPress, what goes in there. Okay, so always click on that little question mark and be patient and look for stuff. Okay, I need to set up taxes. So where's that? Oh, there's the tax menu. Go there and then see what your options are. So you can look through these and see the different settings. If you're somebody that has a shopping cart like this, you should just go through here and spend some time looking through everything, read everything, and then the next time you have something that you want to fix, you probably know where to find it. So products, weight unit, dimensions unit, how should I display the products? It has to do with how the pages lay out and how the images are cropped. Here's where you'd find inventory. Stock management's not enabled. So most of these at the top, you have to enable that functionality. Downloadable products, how do I want to handle downloadable products? You can force downloads or do some other things. Here's the tax menu. So, enable tax calculations, how are we going to do it? Standard tax rates, reduced tax rates, zero tax rates. So again, you got to read through all this. It's pretty complex. It's probably something that I set this up for most customers. Here's your checkout options. Do I want to use creditauthorized.net, a check payment, cash on delivery, PayPal, or Simplify Commerce? So if I want to, I have to go through all the ones that I'm going to use and enable them, and then set the settings. And again, there's APIs and which cards do I accept, and if I accept checks, not enabled on this website. Delivery options. Enable. So this is about shipping. Enable the shipping. Do I want local shipping, flat rate shipping, international flat rate, free shipping? The shipping methods are all listed here, and then you select them in the products. It's quite complex, as you can see. These are settings for when people buy something. How will they set up an account, and what will that experience be like? Emails, these are notifications that you received different types of orders. Which do I want a notification when I receive a new order, a cancel order, or a failed order? Where does the email go to? What does it say? When a person places an order, what kind of emails do they get? Do they get a confirmation email? Do they get an email that reminds them about something? When you purchase something online, you always get an email. And then some other options and things. So that's just a brief overview of WooCommerce. Things to know, I suppose, are where to find products, where to find your sales. That's orders, WooCommerce orders. Where to find your products if you want to edit a product. That's the products menu here. You click open it, and probably in quick edit you can change the price, right here. See, so you can change all these items without even you can change the category of the price, or whether it's taxable, or what the shipping class is, right in the quick edit functionality. So that's a brief overview of WooCommerce. Thanks for being with me today, and I appreciate your time and your eagerness to learn. As always, please let us know what you'd like us to cover next. And also know that all of these videos are on YouTube in that Nirvana Edge playlist, and keep them as a reference. And if you have to make a change to a menu or something, just they're all titled by what they're about, so you can go there and pull up that video and watch it. So thanks again, and we'll see